Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and this one, I'm telling you guys, you are not going to believe it. I'm so excited. This is an item that I called all around the country and couldn't find. This item reminds me of a very popular bag right now at a fraction of the price while still being designer. And I mean, I'm bubbling with excitement and I just can't wait to show you. So I did wear a color that might reflect what's inside the package. So if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. I am wearing white pants, which are going to be destroyed by the dirt on this package, I'm afraid, but hopefully not. So look in there. You see what that is? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Any guesses? Any guesses? This is Tory Burch tissue paper. Hooray! And a Tory Burch gift bag. And I'm assuming that this is a Tory Burch receipt, but that's just a guess. Yes, it appears that that is a Tory Burch receipt. This bag is feeling a little smaller than I thought it was. I had to measure it, and supposedly it's 10 inches wide by, I believe, around 7 inches tall and not very deep. So here we go. I can't wait to play with this. My heart's racing. I'm just ripping right into this. Ooh. I'm hoping it holds all my stuff. Oh my gosh, it's little. This is pretty little. It is bigger than, I think it's bigger than my Prada re-edition. Can you tell what it is? This is the Tory Burch Willa zip top shoulder bag, hence this chain. Gonna go ahead and open up the chain. The chain is 20 inches long, so I'm not sure if that's long enough for me or not, but we'll give it a shot. If it's not, I might have a few chains hanging around here in this closet. No pun intended. But look at that. This color is a purple, but it's called Allium. And the hardware is a brushed silver type hardware. I'm gonna put it on my shoulder. Oh yes, it is plenty long enough for me. And it is oh so comfortable there. I'm wearing a lilac colored top and some white beachy pants. So now I'm kind of nervous because this is smaller. Like I asked specifically, will this hold what the small convertible shoulder bag holds? This is the small convertible shoulder bag, and I'm telling you, there is no way that they hold the same amount. So the question is, will this bag hold the same amount as my multi-pochette that I'm currently sporting? We're gonna have to try it out and see right now. So here is my multi-pochette. And by the way, this bag retails for $4.28, but on sale, it's almost always 30% off, and then I got an extra 10% off because they were running a special last weekend. So I paid right at $2.99 after tax. So my multi-pochette accessories, I have the mini pochette hooked to the larger pochette. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna try to unhook the mini pochette and just put this pouch, which is about the size of the Coach Nolita 15. I'm gonna just put it directly in there and see how much space I have left. Okay, so there's one item in there. I can't turn it vertical, so I don't think that I'm gonna be able to have this in this bag because I just don't think it's gonna work. I just put my pouch in there. I put my pouch in there. Of course, that fits just fine. I'm gonna have to break out my card holders again. I'm gonna put the Kaffe Bassett card holder inside. And then I've got my AirPods case and I have my key. I'm gonna put those on the side. My medicine pouch. Oh, and I forgot, I've got a couple of flat things, or I guess not really flat, but long things. I can stick those down on top of the pouch, or they could even go underneath it. I'm gonna go ahead and let them go underneath the pouch because those are things I don't access very often. Oh, I'm just hoping this fits everything. I mean, I'm telling you, I really, really like this bag. I'm gonna leave the hand sanitizer out for now. I don't really have much else in this bag. I've got my papers with some cash. There is a slip pocket inside. There we go. And then the only other thing, I guess I have this little tiny tube of sunscreen. There's no issue getting that in. The only other thing I have, I'm gonna go ahead and put the hand sanitizer in. It's gonna go. So I have everything in my bag except for these 2 stacks of cards. The question is, will these 2 card holders even fit in here? I could definitely fit one of them. Let's see. And I have condensed the number of cards I carry with me, so I may be able to actually fit all of the cards in one of these Louis Vuitton key clays, and I can. So that's huge. So, moment of truth. Everything fits, but my phone's not in there. I'm not sure my phone will fit in here. Maybe if I rearrange just a wee little bit. Yeah, that doesn't really look so great how it's pooching out right here in the middle. Man. Oh boy. That's basically everything but my phone. It fits in there perfect. I've got 2 card holders in there. My card holder that holds all of the extra cards, my card holder that holds the 4 cards. I've got my stuff in the slip pocket. I went ahead and figured out that the reason why I had that pooch out here was because I had that pouch up too high, so I put that in the bottom. And then I've got these 3 items, the tampon, the Tide to Go stick, and the comb on top of the pouch. Off to the side, I've got the hand sanitizer, and I've got my key fob and my AirPods case. And then this little pouch with my medication in it slides right on top. So that's it. So the question is it okay that it doesn't fit my phone? I mean, I can put my phone in there. It just strains it a bit. Let me try one more time to put my phone in there. See, look what happens. You put your phone in and you end up with this. I don't love that. I wonder if I put it in the back, if that would help. Because I do have my card cases in the back, so maybe that would sort of flatten out the back side. Well, that's much better. That's much better. So that's everything. That is everything in that little bag. I think I like it, but I just can't tell for sure. Well, guys, it's a no-go for me. That bag is not right for me. It does not hold enough. I don't have an organizer for it, nor would I want to try to find one with the shape that it is at the bottom. It needs to have a wider bottom. We don't talk about wanting wider bottoms as women, but we like our purses to have slightly wider bottom. So I contacted the store. I'm sending it back. They do have the small convertible shoulder bag, like the one I just showed you, next to it in that color, but honestly, I don't want another one of those. It's kind of like the dark green bag. I could get the dark green Tory Burch with the gold hardware in the same style that I have the dark green Tory Burch with the silver hardware. I don't want to do that. I don't want 2 bags that are almost the same. I already have 4, that's 8. I have 4 small convertible shoulder Willa bags. I don't really want 5. I've had 5. I had green too, but I sold green. But the purple, I don't know why. I just don't want it in the Willa. If it goes on clearance, then yes. Then it would be a definite yes, because when they go on clearance, they're closer to $200. But that Willa is going to be over $350. Probably closer to $360 or maybe even $370, and I don't want to spend that right now. For some reason, that 300 mark, once you go over it, it starts to hurt a lot more. So that's it for this video. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. I hope you've enjoyed this interesting content today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it, and that way you can be part of all of the exciting content such as this. And go over to Instagram, find me there, follow me there. Most of you have not followed me there, so go do it. It only takes a second, and then you'll get like doubly notified of my videos and maybe get some bonus stuff too. Thank you so much for watching today. I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.